Are you tired of add-ons cluttering your Gmail? Remove any installed add-on in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact settings path. First, open Gmail Settings. Then, find the Add-ons section. And finally, uninstall what you don't need. Start by navigating to your Gmail homepage. Click the gear icon at the top right to open Settings. Click See All Settings to open the full settings menu. At the top bar, click Add-ons to view your installed add-ons. Locate the list of installed add-ons. Click Manage next to the add-on you want to remove. Hover over that add-on and click the 3 dots that appear. From the menu, click Uninstall. Confirm by clicking Uninstall App. That's it. You've removed the add-on. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.